At RE/MAX Alliance, we know the market. Welcome to August's Market Update. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of July. The number of active listings was up more than 125% from 1 year earlier and up 3% from the previous month. This continued upward trend reflected a healthy inventory for buyers to choose from. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $650,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days units spent on the market before being sold was up more than 100%. The higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was $690,000. The number of units sold decreased 40% year over year and decreased 28% month over month. Fewer sales could indicate an opportunity for buyers to negotiate better terms. This video is brought to you in cooperation with our partner,